Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for DLS Design, and I want to show you how to create a bright and cheerful page with the new DLS Scrap Kit Quoted. So as you can see, I start my page by using this great mask that we get in the kit. It's a triangle style, and just apply some color here with a makeup sponge. I'm working with Delusions, and that is a really quick and easy way to have a nice interesting background. Yeah, and now it's time to play with all the beautiful papers. So I cut apart one of those sheets from the 6 to 8 paper stack. There is this pattern paper that looks like there are some arrows on the sheet, and I just cut out one of those, and I also added some paper stripes in pink and yellow because my color scheme for this page is pink, yellow and blue. So I have to admit that I really love those bright colors, and I think that black and white pictures are a really nice choice here because they really make the colors pop, and I love combining black and white pictures with bright and cheerful papers, and that is what I'm doing here. So as you can see, I'm just layering some paper stripes, and this way I create different layers and lots of dimension on my page. And now I can just adhere all the papers. I tried different versions first. That is a thing that I do most of the time. Before fixing my elements, I just bring them in position to see whether it is a good idea, or sometimes I also change things like I'm doing here right now. So this is my basic composition of the page now, and then of course I can start to have some more embellishments, and I mostly, or most of the time, I start with a paper cluster, and then I flip through all my embellishments to see what else I can add. Like I'm doing here, just checking some options. That might be something that is a lot of fun, because sometimes you just discover something new and the page turns out differently from what you had in mind when starting. But I really like the process, and sometimes I'm really surprised by the outcome. All right, so I think that I need some more triangles here and there, so I just add some more, and I think that this mask is one of those that you can use on almost all your projects, because triangles or this nice background is something that you can add here and there, and I will definitely use it all of the time, or quite frequently. All right, so now I just added some sewing yarn, and I have got the die cut add-on with the basic shapes in yellow and warm orange tones, and I just want to pick some yellow bits and pieces. The yellow is really poppy here, and I have got the yellow alphabet stickers from my kids, so I think that the yellow shapes look quite nice, and in combination with those pictures, with the picture and those colorful pattern papers that I have layered behind my picture. So just add some hearts and stars and some chevrons here and there, and yeah, now I can start to fix them, and then it's time to yeah, to flip through the other embellishments to see what else I can add. Actually, when ordering my scrap kit, most of the time I also order some add-ons. I like the fact that everything can be combined easily, and I think scrapping becomes really fun, and it is, or I am quicker if I have a whole collection waiting for me. I don't have to go looking for all the little tiny things I need. I have everything together in my box, and then I can just grab something from all the add-ons and from the kit, and yeah, that is a quick and easy way to create your pages. So don't miss on the add-ons, just take a look and see what might fit your personal scrapping style. So now I have already created a title. It is bowling fun, and now I just want to add something here behind the picture, and just flipping through all my die cuts. I've got lots of them, as you can see, but die cuts are something that you can't have enough of, because yeah, that is something that I use on each and every single page I create. So yeah. Okay, so now I also want to have some black contrasts. So I want to use a stamp, and I also add some phrase stickers here and there, and those colors are the same colors that we can find in the papers, so also something that can be combined quite easily, and that is what I love about the DLS kits. The colors are always a perfect match, and you can combine everything that you can find in your box so easily. Okay, so now I want to do some stamping. It says detail, and that is yeah, the starting point for my journaling. So I just have a messy stamping dot there which says details, and then the journaling starts there, and I just write down some things that I want to remember about this day, and yeah, then I also add the date by yeah, just adding a roller stamp. That is something that I have on each and every layout I do. And now I also want to have some enamel dots here and there. They are so shiny and pretty, and yeah, I love those colors that we get in this kit. So I added some pink ones, or light pink, rosé, yeah, that's the color, I guess. And now I also want to have a kind of frame behind my layout, and I'm going for a black frame. So I just cut off the edges so that I can place it on the black cardstock. I think I have to cut off some more, and then in the end this is my layout. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.